After a serious pedestrian accident, there are a couple of things you should do as soon as possible in order to protect your claim and help secure the compensation you deserve. I'm attorney Ben Long with RSH Legal. Getting injured in a car accident as a pedestrian can be a life-altering event, leading to significant physical, emotional, and financial challenges. Understanding what insurance can cover is crucial for securing the necessary compensation to manage these challenges. In Iowa, pedestrians have several avenues to pursue insurance claims that can help cover medical expenses, lost wages, and other damages. 1. Driver's liability insurance. When a pedestrian is hit by a car, the driver's liability insurance is the primary source of compensation. However, this insurance does not pay as you go along. It only pays once, at the conclusion of a claim. Iowa law mandates that drivers carry minimum liability insurance coverage, which includes bodily injury liability. This covers medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering for injuries caused to others in an accident. The minimum coverage required is $20,000 per person. And property damage liability. This covers damage to the property of others, with a minimum requirement of $15,000. If the driver is found to be at fault, their liability insurance will compensate the injured pedestrian for their losses up to the policy limits. 2. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Unfortunately, not all drivers comply with insurance requirements, and some carry insufficient coverage. Carrying uninsured or underinsured motorist (UM or UIM) coverage on your own policy is designed to protect pedestrians in such scenarios. Again, this type of coverage only pays once, at the conclusion of a claim. Although Iowa does not mandate UM or UIM coverage, it is highly recommended. Uninsured motorist coverage, or UM, this provides compensation if the at-fault driver has no insurance. Underinsured motorist coverage, or UIM, this kicks in when the at-fault driver's insurance limits are too low to cover the pedestrian's damages fully. Pedestrians can claim UM or UIM coverage from their own auto insurance policies if they have this protection, ensuring they are not left without compensation due to the at-fault driver's inadequate insurance. 3. Personal injury protection, PIP, and medical payments, MedPay, coverage. While Iowa does not require personal injury protection, or PIP, coverage, some auto insurance policies offer it as an option. PIP covers medical expenses, lost wages, and other related costs regardless of who is at fault. Medical payments, or MedPay, coverage is similar to PIP, but typically more limited in scope. MedPay covers medical expenses for the policyholder and their passengers regardless of fault. These coverages can pay as you go along, covering the gap left by liability and UM or UIM that do not pay until the conclusion of the claim. Pedestrians injured in an accident may also claim MedPay from their own auto insurance if it includes this coverage. 4. Health insurance. Health insurance can also play a crucial role in covering medical expenses after a pedestrian accident. While it may not cover lost wages or other non-medical damages, it ensures that the injured pedestrian can receive necessary medical treatment without incurring immediate out-of-pocket costs. 5. Homeowners and umbrella insurance policies. In some cases, homeowners or umbrella insurance policies might offer additional coverage. These policies typically provide broader liability coverage that can extend to incidents involving the policyholder, including pedestrian accidents. After a serious pedestrian accident, there are a couple of things you should do as soon as possible in order to protect your claim and help secure the compensation you deserve. 1. Seek immediate medical attention. Even if injuries appear minor, seeking medical attention immediately is crucial. Not only does this ensure proper treatment, but it also provides medical documentation. These medical records will help illustrate the severity of your injuries to the insurance company. 2. Report the accident. Call 911 to report the accident and ensure that police and emergency medical personnel are dispatched to the scene. A police report will serve as a key piece of evidence in any insurance claim or legal action. 3. Gather evidence. If possible, collect information at the scene, including the driver's name, contact information and insurance details, contact information of any witnesses, photographs of the accident scene, injuries, and any damages. 4. Notify your insurance company. Report the accident to your insurance company promptly. Even if you were a pedestrian and the driver was at fault, notifying your insurer will start the claims process for any applicable coverage, such as UIM, or MedPay. 5. Consult an experienced personal injury attorney. Given the complexities of insurance claims and potential legal action, consulting an experienced Iowa personal injury attorney can be beneficial. An attorney can help navigate the claims process, negotiate with insurance companies, and ensure that you receive fair compensation. If you have been seriously injured as a pedestrian because of someone else's fault, contact RSH Legal at 1-800-433-0283 today.